to Vantastic 2021 Heat 15. NZ Racing, how are you going?
So many vans, so many drivers and so many good builders. We're only 3/4 of the way through the list. We're only just getting warmed up.
Good to hear. Let's look at our teams and drivers for Heat 15.
I may be wrong, but every van so far with these Punisher wheels have done extremely well in their heats. Let's see if Cassie Johns in the Deadhead van can produce a win or two tonight for 100 Proof Racing.
Right along Casey, the driver is Baduki, driving for Toon Tracks Racing. This is the Fire Chief van, weighing 55 grams.
Is this the Bud Spencer from the 70s spaghetti westerns that were made with, who was it, Terence Hill? I hope so, because Puerto Rico Racing, you've got a good driver there behind the wheel of Chubby Doobie.
Next up, Toon Tracks Racing has another entry into Vantastic in tonight's heat. This is Fearless Ferguson behind the wheel, a Super Chrome van weighing 44 grams.
Now, Toon Tracks does have two vans in this heat, but they're quite light, and they have to work together to get past Bud and Cassie tonight, because those two are almost twice the weight.
are your results after Heat 15. Congratulations to the teams going through and commiserations to the teams. This is the end of your line in this tournament.
Good build there by 100 Proof Racing and great driving by Cassie Johns. You almost had the perfect score. And for that, you're off to the semis.
Also going through to the semi-finals, driving for Team Puerto Rico Racing, the driver is Bud Spencer in Chubby Doobie. Congratulations. Okay, NZ, let's get into the wrap race-up. Race 1, what are your thoughts?
Well, after a nice smooth run, it looks as though Paducah said something to Bud Spencer about his acting abilities. Yeah, not a wise move, Paducah.
And strolling across the line for Toon Tracks Racing is Fearless Ferguson. Let's go into race 2, NZ.
Oh, he did it again. Bud Spencer took out Paducah at turn 1. What's going on between these two? Oh, Cassie John, she was wise to stay right out of that one.
All in all, a good run down the track there. And look at these two fighting it out towards that merger. Heading into race 3. Come on, let's go, NZ.
Cassie Johns from 100 Proof had this race from the start. Perfect lines all the way down and kept right out of the arguing that was obviously going on behind her.
Yeah, another fantastic build there by 100 Proof Racing.
Hey, I'm not too sure what Paducah said to Fearless Ferguson there at turn 1 just before he fell over, but certainly got the attention of all three vans to turn around and look at him.
That's a wrap on Heat 15. Congratulations to the teams going home, and also congratulations to the teams who have fought so hard to try and stay alive in this competition. See you all on the track with NZ Racing and Heat 16.